Good morning, everybody. Myself, Khomane from 10th ICC. Today, we are going to celebrate Teachers' Day. So, why do we celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September only? Why not on any other day? Yes, children. Anybody knows why we celebrate on 5th September only? Yes?
No.
Okay. We celebrate because, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan?
Yes.
Yes, so his birthday was celebrated as 5th September, but one student asked him to celebrate his birthday. So he replied that instead of celebrating my birthday separately, it will be my proud privilege if September 5th is observed as Teachers' Day. And from the onwards, Dr. Radhakrishnan birthday is observed as Teachers' Day all across India. So now you will know now.
Yes.
Yes. Who are the teachers? The teacher are the ones who build a good nation and make the world a better place. A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Teachers are not only teachers, but they also improve our personality, confidence, and skill level. So now we will go to our topic. My topic is periodic table. Anybody knows periodic table?
Yes.
In periodic table, how many elements are there?
118 elements.
Okay. Which was the first element discovered in that,
Hydrogen.
No, it's wrong. First element there was phosphorus was discovered. So in periodic table, there are 4 blocks, 7 periods, 18 groups, and 118 elements. There are 3 type categories: metal, non-metal, and metalloids. There are 94 metals. You know that? There are
No, we don't.
94 metals, 17 metal non-metals, and 8 metalloids. Then the first element discovered in periodic table was phosphorus, and it was discovered in 1669. So it's not hydrogen. Yes. Then we will see first 20 elements because in 7th standard you have only first 20 elements. So you know the sequence and which are the
Yes.
first 20 elements? Can anybody tell first 20 elements?
Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium.
Okay, good. So there are metals, non-metals, and metalloids. In first 20 elements, lithium, beryllium, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, potassium, calcium, these all are metals. Non-metals are hydrogen, helium, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. And metalloids are boron and silicon. So next, I will give you the technique. 1 minute. I will show you the technique how to learn the periodic table. So our elements are there, first 20. So how we will keep the elements in our brain. So hydrogen means happy, helium means Henry, lithium means like, beryllium means beans, boron means but, carbon means can, nitrogen means not, oxygen means obtain, and fluorine means from, and neon means near. So happy Henry like beans but cannot obtain from near. This is the sequence of first to 10 elements. We can easily learn and we can keep in our mind. And next 11 to 20 elements are there: sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, and calcium. So नहीं मांग अल्लाह से पेप्सी सोडा कोला और काजू केक. So is this interesting?
Yes.
Now Can anybody read this? Yes.
Yes, we can read, but your document is not visible to us.
1 minute. Is it visible?
No.
No. No, miss.
Now?
No.
No.
One minute. Is it now?
No.
My screen is got burnt. Is it visible?
No. You can use pen for writing.
See, this is first element, hydrogen. So hydrogen happy. Hydrogen first is happy. Then helium, second is Henry. Lithium means like. Beryllium means beans. Boron means bud. Carbon means can. Nitrogen means not. Oxygen means obtain. Fluorine means from. And neon means near. And now 11 to 20. Sodium means magnesium. Sodium means nahi. Magnesium means mang. Aluminium means Allah. Silicon means say. Phosphorus means Pepsi. Phosphorus means Pepsi. Silicon means soda. Chlorine means Cl. Cola. Argon means or. Potassium means K. Kaju. Or calcium means cake. So now you have understood.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now I will ask you some questions. What is the symbol of silicon and phosphorus? Can anybody tell?
Can you repeat the question?
What is the symbol of silicon and
Silicon,
phosphorus?
silicon, Si, and phosphorus
Phosphorus?
It is Fe.
plus P.
Can anybody tell again?
Silicon, ESI, and phosphorus P.
Yes, good, Aditi. Second question is, beryllium is said to have sweet taste. The symbol for beryllium is
Be.
okay, good. Second one is, most of the Earth's atmosphere consists of nitrogen. The symbol for nitrogen is
Yan.
no, wrong. Anybody else? Yes, students. So symbol of nitrogen is Ni. So which of the following are metals? Beryllium, nitrogen, oxygen, neon. Yes. Anybody can tell? Yes, students.
दीदी मला एक डाऊट आहे.
Beryllium. Yeah. Yes, good.
दीदी नायट्रोजनचा शॉर्ट फॉर्म Nच आहे, Ni नाहीये.
हा का? Okay. Anybody can tell 1 to 20 elements which are the metals and non-metals? Yes, anybody can tell which are the metals and non-metals? From 1 to 20 elements?
Metal, lithium, beryllium, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, potassium, and calcium.
Yes, good. And non-metals?
And non-metals, hydrogen, helium, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon.
Okay, and metalloids? And metalloids? Yes. Yes, Aditi. Which are the metalloids?
Boron and silicon.
Okay. You know the properties of metals and non-metals and metalloids? Yes, students. What do you mean by metals, non-metals, and metalloids? Yes, anybody knows? Yes, students.
Metal are good conductor of electricity and non-metal are poor conductor of electricity.
Yes, this is also the property, and other also properties are there that you
Yes.
know.
Yes.
Yes, can you
The
anybody tell?
other, the other properties are they are having high melting point. After
Yes.
that, they are also a good conductors of a heat and have a high density.
Yes. Of which of you have tell about which metal or non-metal or metalloid?
It is tell I had tell about metal.
Yes, good. And about non-metals? Yes, Nanvi. So children, I will tell metals are shiny, malleable, ductile, and they are a good conductor of thermal and electric energy and have reactivity. Metalloids share some properties of metals and some of non-metals. Some are shiny and some are dull. Some are malleable and some are not. Some are ductile and some are not. Semiconductors of electric energy. Metalloids contains properties of metals and non-metals. And non-metals are dull, brittle, non-malleable, non-ductile, poor conductor of thermal and electrical energy, and some have reactivity. So, can anybody tell me the first 20 elements without seeing?
Yes.
Yes, Jay.
Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium.
Yes, good, Aditi. So today we have learned the periodic table, 1 to 20 elements, and how to learn their trick and everything. So thank you, student, for cooperating, miss, and thank you, miss.